To accelerate the creation of a clean energy economy, we will double our capacity to generate alternative sources of energy like wind, solar, and biofuels over the next. Most important, it's a plan that will trigger the creation of millions of new jobs for Americans who will produce the wind turbines and solar panels and develop the alternative fuels to power the future. Today, some of those same critics are already judging the effort a failure, although they haven't yet offered a plausible alternative, on the basis of the premiums it collects. And let me repeat, it would just be an option. It means investing in clean, alternative sources of energy, like advanced biofuels and natural gas.
So we're always looking for alternative sources, and so
And I just want to point out, the alternative to such reform is a world where healthcare costs grow at an unsustainable rate.
The alternative path was further isolation and further consequences.
And as you know, President Obama has been promoting alternative energy.
The point I want to make is it's a risk worth taking because the alternative is a status quo that is unsustainable. I ask you to consider the alternative.
On alternative energy can bring in a lot of money.
As much as 35% of the cost of covering their employees. We've got small business owners like Janine Vaughn of Spokane, Washington. Janine always tried to do the right thing and cover her workers, but she... Denmark is a leader on clean energy and alternative energy. I think we're doing terrific work on alternative energy sources, but there may be initiatives that are taking place here in Chile that might be transferable to the United States. And if we can make significant improvements in battery technology, then I think the opportunities for electric vehicles, alternative vehicles that are much cheaper, our opportunities are limitless.